Welcome to our discussion on passive income streams, where we'll explore different sources of income that can generate money with minimal ongoing effort. Passive income can provide financial freedom and enhance your overall financial well-being. Let's dive in. 1. Rental properties. Rental properties are a lucrative passive income source. Invest in real estate for regular rental income. While initial effort is required for ownership and management, outsourced property management can streamline the process. Rental properties provide long-term appreciation and steady cash flow, making them an attractive investment option. 2. Dividends. Dividends are another source of passive income, primarily obtained through investing in stocks that pay regular dividends. Dividend payments are typically distributed by companies to their shareholders as a portion of profits. By investing in dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused funds, you can earn a steady income stream without actively participating in the day-to-day operations of the company. 3. Online businesses. The digital age has opened up new opportunities for passive income through online businesses. Creating and monetizing websites, blogs, e-commerce stores, or digital products can generate income while you sleep. With careful planning, effective marketing, and automation tools, you can build a successful online business that generates passive income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or product sales. 4. Investments and dividend funds. In addition to dividends, other investment vehicles such as bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and peer-to-peer lending platforms can also provide passive income. These investments generate returns in the form of interest, rental income, or loan repayments, allowing you to earn money without active involvement.